Hello friends, welcome to Shweta's Messy Kitchen, and today we are making restaurant style butter chicken. For this I have taken 1.5 kgs of chicken, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoons of salt and juice of 2 lemons. So this is our first marination and we'll start making. Lemon juice, salt and ginger garlic paste. And now we'll mix it nicely so that all the things mix very well, and we will keep this aside for at least half an hour. While our chicken is getting marinated, we'll prepare for the gravy. For this I have taken 1 kg of tomatoes and I have chopped them into half and I'll put them for boiling. I will add a little bit of ginger pieces into it and put some water. And we'll start boiling it for at least 20 minutes. And here in this pan I will take some butter, as this is butter chicken, so we need lots of butter. Now the butter has melted, I will add some garlic into it and roughly chopped onions. I have taken 3 onions and we'll add this, and we will saute it for 4-5 minutes until the onion turns translucent. So friends, till our tomatoes are getting boiled, we'll prepare the second marination for the chicken. For this I have taken 1 cup of hung yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 2 tablespoons of chicken masala. This gives a really nice flavor to the chicken. So first we'll take our hung yogurt. We'll add some mustard oil into it, red chili powder and chicken masala, and we'll give it a good mix. Red Kashmiri chili powder gives really nice color, so you don't need to add the food color, red food color. It gives really nice food color. Now we'll add our chicken into it. And mix it well so that we'll coat the chicken nicely. This is our second marination, and now again we'll keep the chicken for half an hour. So friends, onions have turned translucent and I have switched off the gas and let it cool down. We'll make a fine paste out of it, and also the tomatoes are also boiled, and I will take them out in a sieve and I will remove the skin of it. I have taken out the tomatoes, and after 5 minutes I will start removing the skin of it. So you need to remove the skin of the tomatoes and then we'll grind it. So you have to be really very careful while removing because it can be hot, so you can wait. And then just remove this skin, peel the skin and remove. So I'll quickly remove all the skin like this. So friends, this chicken is also marinated now. We'll start cooking the chicken. In a pan, I'll take some butter. And add the chicken. And we'll cook it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. We'll keep on checking and stirring, and when the chicken is cooked, we'll switch off the flame. Meanwhile, for the gravy, I have made a paste of onions and garlic and also tomato and ginger. So now we'll start making the gravy. We'll take the butter again. As it is butter chicken, so lots of butter goes into it, and that only gives the taste. This is around 2 tablespoons of butter again. Add the onion paste now. So friends, our onion are cooked now. See, they are a little bit of brown color. At this point, we'll add red chili powder. This is 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt. So we'll mix it. And after finally mixing it, we'll add the tomatoes. I have made a puree of the tomatoes, and we will sieve the tomatoes and put this. And we'll keep stirring it so that only the fine paste goes into the gravy and all the impurities are left behind. So this is a very important step. And here also you can see our chicken is getting cooked. Still it has some water, so we'll wait. And then we'll see when to add the chicken into the gravy. So friends, this gravy is almost ready. We'll add some more ingredients into it. So at this point I will add, this is kaju paste. I have taken 15 cashew nuts, soaked them into water, made a fine paste of it. I have added that kaju paste into it, and I'll mix it well. Next, I'm adding a small spoon of sugar because tomatoes are a bit tangy. So to balance the taste, I'm adding sugar. Now I'm adding some tomato ketchup. This is again to balance the taste. You can taste and balance it accordingly. And again mix it. Now I'm adding fresh cream. मैंने घर की fresh मलाई ली है, उसको अच्छे से फेंट लिया है, and I'm adding my fresh cream into it. And you can see this butter chicken color is coming up now. We'll cook it for 5 minutes. As you can see, this gravy is quite thick. I will add a little bit of milk into it now. And cook it for 5 minutes so that everything mixes well. And now I've taken dry kasuri methi. I've roasted it, and as you can see the crunch, and I'll just crush it and add into the gravy. And I'll bring it to a boil. At this point, you can just check the taste of the gravy. If it is too tangy, you can add a bit of sugar, a bit of ketchup, and adjust the taste. Now we'll simply add the gravy into our chicken. So friends, our chicken is ready, our gravy is ready. I will add the gravy into our chicken. And now we'll see the consistency. I think consistency is just fine. In case you think it's too thick, you can add that tomato water. At this point I don't think it's required, so I'm not adding any water. So I'll just mix and cook the chicken in the gravy for 10 minutes. And guys, here comes Shweta's messy kitchen magic touch. I have taken a foil and shaped it into a katori. I have taken this burnt coal. I will put on this, and now just add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and as soon as the smoke comes out, just cover it. So friends, after 10 minutes, I'm removing the plate and this smoke has already gone. This gives a really nice tandoori flavor and smoky flavor to our chicken. And now we'll start plating. Start the plating now. Okay, as you can see, the gravy is really rich and creamy. That's what we were looking at. And I can't wait to have it. It looks so delicious. And I've here taken some cream. And some slit green chilies. And our butter chicken is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know into comments below how it is. Thank you from Shweta's Messy Kitchen. Bye.